Thanks for joining us here on 23 ABC News. I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter. Over St. Patrick's Day weekend, a young couple was struck and killed by an alleged drunk driver. The couple, 30-year-old Max and Desiree Mooney, had gone out for drinks that night and called for a rideshare vehicle to take them home. At around 1:37 a.m. on March 16th, the vehicle carrying the couple, another passenger, and the driver were hit on the corner of Stockdale Highway and Coffee Road. The driver of the car that hit them was 21-year-old Annabelle Correa, who, according to court documents, admitted to drinking that night and blew a field test of 0.088%. Following that crash, local attorneys and community advocates are calling for stricter sentencing for first-time DUI offenses. They said while this has been an ongoing issue in our community for decades now, they hope that they can see real change by striking while the iron is hot.
Preliminary hearing, April 3rd at 9 a.m.
21-year-old Annabelle Correa arraigned Tuesday on 10 charges, including 8 felonies, ranging from 2 second-degree murder charges, 2 counts of gross vehicular manslaughter while intoxicated, and 4 counts of felony DUI.
In this case, there will be no bail.
Last year alone, 37 people were killed on our county roads in drunk driving accidents. It's an issue that's ripe in everyone's mind right now.
The attorneys have chained Cohn and Clark alongside advocates from the group Mothers Against Drunk Driving and local families, reacting to this latest crash by asking the community for support as they gather signatures to petition lawmakers to enhance sentencing consequences for first-time DUI offenders.
Every time here in Bakersfield you hear of the news, you see the news, it refreshes that as a victim.
Todd Farnsworth and his family said they were called after the couple was killed on St. Patrick's Day weekend, having their own experience dealing with the fallout of DUI.
December 1st, 2016, she was hit by a DUI driver.
Their daughter, Jordan, now requires 24-hour care after she was struck by a DUI driver who was speeding, ran a red light, and then fled the scene.
He fled the country, took 5 years. And, that's another thing that's really hard about this. We ended up going to court 30 times for one DUI.
I cannot change the law as a civil lawyer, but I can I could call upon those people at the state level who have the ability to change the law and the power to change the law to do so.
The group is looking for support for changes like making ignition interlock devices mandatory for first-time offenders, among other increased penalties.
Right now, the sentencing for a first-time offense is anywhere from 2 days in jail to 6 months, okay? Clearly, that's not acting as a deterrent to those people out there committing this crime. And so there needs to be a greater deterrent.
Clark said he hopes to garner 30,000 signatures for their petition before taking it to local lawmakers. The hope to prevent another family from facing this heartache.
When this crash happened this weekend, folk call us and the scabs get pulled off again, and it's tough, but something has to change.
And again, Correa is due back in court on April 3rd for a pre-preliminary hearing. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.